Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to add epic flame effect in your any video clip. So without any further delay, let's start it. I already added a sample video clip in timeline. Here it is. It's a very modern looking video clip. I downloaded this stock video footage before from YouTube. Now let's say if you want to add epic flame effect in this video clip like 1940. Then process is pretty simple. Simply hit on video effects tab and search for film effect. And here it is. And under this film effect, here you see a bunch of different presets are available. If you hover over the mouse on any of these, you will see the preview. Let's say this time I select this very old film effect and click and drag it on my video clip. Alright. Now I simply set it here. Let's see the preview now. Awesome, right? Now if you want to customize this flame effect, then process is pretty simple. And under flame effect, here you see a bunch of different sliders. If you want to change this color, this yellow type color, then choose this color icon and using this color picker choose any of your preferred color. Let's select orange and now let's play this clip. Now this video looks really old, pretty cool, and dust type, let's say this time I use flicker. Now let's see the difference. Awesome. Now if you want to more customize this effect, then change the value of gain, tint, and see the live preview. And another cool feature is there are some built-in presets are available. Also you can see this presets preview right here. Let's say this time I select 1908. Now let's have a look. And here it is. So this is the default one. And this is our epic flame effect. Just like 1940, 50, just like that. I know it is very simple and it looks fantastic and natural. That's it for this lecture. See you in the next one.